Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the file import failure error in Adobe Premiere Pro. I've got two easy methods to solve this issue. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the problem. Whenever you try to import footage or files into Premiere Pro, you might see one of these error messages. Let's dive into the first method. Method number 1. Change the location of your file. Start by going to the file's current location. Create a new folder on any drive. The goal here is to change the file's location. If the file was already on your desktop and caused the error, moving it to a different drive or folder can often fix the problem. Now try importing the file into Premiere Pro again, and the error should no longer appear. Method number 2. Rename the file and add a new extension. First, go to the folder containing your video file. Click the View tab at the top and then select Options. From the drop-down menu, click on Change Folder and search Options. In the pop-up window, head over to the View tab. Find the option that says Hide Extensions for Known File Types and make sure to uncheck it. This will allow you to see the file extensions, like MP4 or MOV. Now rename your file and replace its current extension with MTS. For example, if your file is named Video MP4, change it to Video MTS. Once that's done, try importing the file into Premiere Pro again, and it should work without any errors. And that's it. By either changing the file's location or renaming it with a new extension, you can fix the file import failure issue in Adobe Premiere Pro. These methods are quick, effective, and will get you back to editing in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.